In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to buy MLS tickets. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the MLS tickets to the official ticketing platforms, or you can visit Ticketmaster, which is the league's official ticketing partner for many clubs. From there, select the team you want to watch, choose the match you would like to attend, and browse the available seating options. For this guide, I'm going to use Ticketmaster. You can head over to the website, then select the match that you want to watch. Now choose the match you would like to attend and browse the available seating options. Ticket availability and prices vary depending on the club, opponent, seat location, and demand. Once you have selected your seats, sign in or create a Ticketmaster account if required. Review your order carefully, enter your payment information, and complete your purchase. After your payment is confirmed, your tickets will usually be delivered digitally to your account, allowing you to access them on your smartphone for entry into the stadium. If you are looking for the best value, consider purchasing tickets early, as popular matches can sell out quickly. You can also compare different seating sections to find the option that best fits your budget. Some clubs also offer season memberships or multi-match packages if you plan to attend several games throughout the season. On match day, simply open your digital ticket on your mobile device before arriving at the stadium. Make sure your phone is charged and that you have downloaded or accessed your tickets in advance to ensure a smooth entry experience. And that's it. This way you can easily buy MLS tickets. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.